Welcome to Smart Stock Watch. Today is November 25th, 2025, and we're diving into the fiscal 2026 Q2 earnings report of SJM Smucker. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. SJM Smucker is a well-known name in the food industry, with a diverse portfolio that includes brands like Folgers, Jif, and Uncrustables. Their latest earnings report gives us a lot to discuss.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. SJM Smucker reported net sales of $2.3 billion for Q2 2026, a 3% increase from the previous year. John, what drove this growth?
The growth was primarily driven by a strong demand for their leading brands and effective price realization strategies, especially in their coffee segment. Despite divestitures, they managed a 5% increase in comparable net sales, which is impressive.
And what about profitability?
Net income saw a significant turnaround to $241.3 million from a loss last year, largely due to improved operating income, which increased by 147%. This was helped by lower amortization expenses and reduced special project costs.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. SJM Smucker's adjusted EPS came in at 2.10, slightly below the forecast of 2.11 cents from 8 analysts. John, what factors contributed to this slight miss?
The adjusted EPS decline of 24% was influenced by higher commodity costs and increased marketing expenses. While they managed costs well, these factors weighed on their bottom line, leading to the slight miss against expectations.
Segment performance and strategic initiatives. Let's talk about segment performance. How did SJM Smucker's different segments fare this quarter?
The U.S. retail coffee segment saw a 21% increase in sales, driven by higher pricing. However, the frozen handheld and spreads segment experienced a 5% decline due to lower volumes. Pet foods also saw a 7% decrease in sales, but managed a slight profit increase due to cost management.
And what about their strategic initiatives?
They're focusing on accelerating organic growth and embedding transformation in their operations. Their Be Bold mindset is aimed at driving long-term shareholder value, which is crucial in today's dynamic market environment.
Future outlook and guidance. Looking ahead, SJM Smucker has updated its full-year guidance. What can investors expect?
They've adjusted their EPS guidance to a range of $8.75 to $9.25, reflecting their confidence in continued sales growth of 3.5% to 4.5%. They're also maintaining a strong free cash flow projection of $975 million, which supports their capital expenditure plans.
How does this position them for the future?
With a focus on strategic priorities and disciplined cost management, SJM Smucker is well-positioned to navigate challenges and capitalize on growth opportunities, enhancing shareholder value in the long run.
Key takeaways. In summary, SJM Smucker delivered a solid performance in Q2 to 2026, with a 3% increase in net sales and a significant improvement in net income. Despite a slight miss on EPS, their strategic initiatives and updated guidance reflect a positive outlook. Thank you for joining us, John.
Thank you. It's been a pleasure discussing SJM Smucker's performance and prospects.
Thank you for watching Smart Stock Watch. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We'd love to hear your thoughts on SJM Smucker's performance in the comments below.